$147,000 to be on one of the main streets in the city, in Laureles, La 70. Now, this apartment isn't for everyone. This is for a very specific buyer. Most people will go right past it because it's in an old building and it needs some work. And when I mean some, I mean a lot. For those investors out there, this is the most important fact. The price per square meter is 3.5 million Colombian pesos. That's under market value right now. If this were remodeled, that price per square meter would be 5 to 6 million. Apart from that, location, location, location. You can't beat being on La 70 in Medellin. This apartment has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's 137 square meters to work with. And this is the part that matters. You're not tucked away on some side street. You have metro access, a pharmacy, restaurants, all right across the street underneath the building itself. So let's see exactly what we're working with. Let's take a walk. Quick note before we take the tour, we are MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. We're a boutique real estate company in Medellin, Colombia. We only work with about 3 to 4 people per month. And we only work with people that are ready to buy within the next 30 days and have a budget of over $150,000. Why? Because we work one-on-one with you to find exactly what you're looking for. If you've tried to buy real estate in Medellin, if you worked with other people, you know that it could be very frustrating. That's why we don't take everyone on, because we want you to have the best experience. Now let's take a walk. Okay, so again, this is 137 square meters and it has 3 bedrooms, 1 maid's quarters, and a bunch of bathrooms. This is the first bathroom, which is the guest bathroom. It does have a full shower in there, but if I were to remodel it, I'd probably take the shower out. Let's take a look at the rest to see if we need to take the shower out. We walk in here and you have a little den here, but remember, all of these walls can be knocked down. The kitchen is on this other side of this wall, but you could use this as an office if you didn't want to knock down walls. Now let's go back into the actual living area. This could be your living room, and then over here you've got what could be your kitchen area, or your dining area, I should say. And then the kitchen is over here. And again, I would knock all this down and make one big kitchen slash dining area, social area. This is that maid's quarters I was talking about. It does have a full bathroom over here, so access to water. All right, let's take a look at some of the bedrooms over here. Before that, you do have, okay, so you could knock down that social bathroom or that first guest bathroom at the beginning and keep this bathroom as your shared bathroom for these bedrooms that don't have a bathroom in them. So here you have, look how big these bedrooms are. When you have older buildings like this, you have way bigger bedrooms. So remodeling costs, let's talk about that. Typically, you're gonna be spending anywhere between $300 to $500 per square meter. So if you've got an apartment that's 100 square meters and you wanna go high-end remodel and furniture, then you're gonna go $500, maybe even $600 per square meter. This apartment, you could easily do $300 per square meter because the location is so great that that's what sells it, really. This is the 3rd bedroom here. All right, so let's go back down over here. Okay, so here's the catch with this one. Number one, if I were to buy this, I would not be living in it. This is strictly for month-to-month rental. You can't do daily rentals here. Number two, the remodel is gonna cost you around $50,000, and if you wanna go high-end, $100,000. So there's a big range there. But the kicker is that you can actually rent this out for about $2,500 a month. Because remember, this has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So what's the verdict? This apartment is for someone like myself who is an investor. I don't want to ever live in it. And I like to buy property under market value, make it look nicer, put it up on Airbnb maybe for a few years, and then sell it. Because of the fact that you are walking distance to the stadium, you're on La 70, you're walking distance to the metro station, you've got all of the nightlife, the restaurants, the cafes right here. It's all flat, it's all walkable. This makes it a very attractive apartment for an investor. For lifestyle, yeah, I guess if you really like Laureles and you like the Estadio neighborhood. That being said, if you're interested in this apartment, or maybe you're looking for something completely different and you want to work with me and my team, remember, we're a boutique real estate company. We only work with 3 to 4 people a month that are ready to buy within the next 30 days, have $150,000 or more, and are willing to work with our system. The first phase is to open up a Colombian brokerage account so that you could transfer your money into the country. If that describes you, there's a link in the description below. Fill out the form and we'll get back to you ASAP. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.